How to back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You are now in the WhatsApp chats page where you can view all your chats. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Scroll down and go to Chats. Then, tap on Chat Backup. Over here, you can view and manage your WhatsApp chat backup settings. As you can see, you can view the progress of the backup as well. Now, tap on Auto Backup as shown. Here, you can choose how often you want to back up your chats. For example, select Daily. You can then decide if you want to include videos in your backup or not. You can also turn on the end-to-end encrypted backup feature below if you want another layer of security. Following these steps, you can easily back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone.